Building an AI prototype in a controlled environment is more achievable than ever. But scaling it to a production floor? That's where most projects fail. The gap between a demo and a deployment is wider than it looks. BrinqAI and Synaptics have bridged this gap. By combining high-performance Astra processors with the AcuSight platform, we've created a production-ready ecosystem for the intelligent edge. Traditionally, edge AI needs specialized teams across AI, edge, and software. Our ready-to-use platform simplifies workflows and speeds up deployment for plant teams. With our fractional data science approach, you keep full control of your data while leveraging our tools and expertise. No more talent scarcity or delays when a new SKU is added. Fractional data science moves model adaptation to the operator level, allowing your team to update AI in real time as your production needs evolve. It starts with a low-friction setup. One simple command onboards the full stack to Synaptics hardware. Because it's processed at the edge, your data stays secure and private, with low latency. We deliver results faster. By parallelizing data collection and rollout, we reduce your time to market while saving you up to $250,000 per project in staffing costs. And the platform extends beyond vision alone. Our Agentic AI allows operators to use natural language to troubleshoot equipment or analyze data in real time. It's a turnkey solution for the future of manufacturing. Move from pilot projects to production-ready edge AI with a workflow built for real factory conditions. Trial the workflow and onboard your Synaptics products today at AcuSight.io. The power of fractional data science is now in your hands.